Hi, welcome back to my unique space. Today, I'm going to start with the most important periods of English literature. The first one is All English period or Anglo-Saxon period. It is from 450 to 1066. Second one is Middle English period. It is from 1066 to 1500. Then comes the Renaissance period. It is from 1500 to 1660. It is divided into four ages. There is Elizabethan age from 1558 to 1603. Then Jacobean age from 1603 to 1625. Then Caroline age from 1625 to 1649. Then last Commonwealth period from 1649 to 1660. Then we have the Neoclassical period from 1600 to 1785. It is also divided into three subdivisions, that is Restoration age, Augustus age and the age of sensibility. Restoration is from 1066 to 1700. Augustus age is from 1700 to 1745. The age of sensibility is from 1745 to 1785. Then comes the Romantic period from 1785 to 1832. Then the Victorian period from 1832 to 1901. Then comes the Edwardian period and the Georgian period. This is not that much important as others. The Edwardian period from 1901 to 1914. The Georgian period from 1910 to 1936. Then the modern period from 1914 to 1945. Then finally the postmodern period from 1945 to the present. That's all. Here in this video I gave a rough idea of the most important periods of English literature. In later videos I'll be giving further details of this ages. For getting more notes, please subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching. That's all. Thank you.